Let's begin by looking at erythrocytes, or red blood cells. The primary function of a red blood cell is to transport oxygen. Its structure will reflect this function. Let's look at the anatomy of a circulating mature red blood cell. It will be anucleate, which means it does not have a nucleus. It also will have few organelles. It will not have mitochondria, which are the powerhouses of the cell, nor will it have ribosomes, which are your protein-making factories. In the absence of a nucleus, you do not have any DNA or genetic material in a red blood cell. For this reason, protein synthesis cannot occur. In the absence of mitochondria, the red blood cell must undergo anaerobic respiration to synthesize its ATP. This makes sense. The red blood cell should not use the oxygen it is transporting to the tissues to produce its own ATP. The red blood cell is shaped like a biconcave disc. It caves in when the nucleus is ejected. Think about a donut, but instead of having a hole in the center, it will only be collapsed inward on both sides, making it thin. This shape increases the surface area for gas exchange to occur. Oxygen and carbon dioxide will move across the cell membrane of a red blood cell. In addition, these cells are flexible since they have to go into the smallest of your vessels, called capillaries, single file, and actually slightly bend. They are filled with a pigment called hemoglobin. This protein is what binds with oxygen. Due to the fact that these cells cannot carry out protein synthesis, they will have a short lifespan. They live approximately 120 days or 4 months and are removed by the spleen primarily when they are worn and damaged.